Hi, I'm Anna from BotsLovers, and today I'll be explaining how to upload your frequent questions into BotsLovers platform using an Excel sheet. With this method, you can upload your content in a massive way. Before you start, you should keep in mind that when you upload an Excel sheet, you don't lose the content that you already had created. Now you can start uploading the content with this new method. To do this, you must click on the Upload button located in the upper right corner. Please note that 30 FAQ can be added to each upload. To upload your content with the correct format, you can download some sample sheets by clicking on the button below. You will see that a zip file has been downloaded, and when you open it, you will find two different sheets. One is an example if your platform has multiple languages. The other is an example if your FAQ are in one language. I already have my multilanguage template prepared and ready to upload. You will see that there are several columns where we can insert the information. In the first column, you can find the SKU ID, where you must assign a number for each frequently asked question. In this case, having two different languages, you must assign the same number to the FAQ for each language. In the second column, you will need the language code of each FAQ. In this case, since there are two languages, we will identify EN for English and DE for German. In the third column, you must write the FAQ category in each language. In the fourth column, you can include the URL of the category image. It is not mandatory to be included, it will simply appear empty in the platform. In the fifth column, you must create the FAQ in the corresponding language. Make sure that it looks good, since it is the one that the user will see when browsing through the chat. In the sixth column, you can add the training phrases so that the algorithm better understands the user's questions. To separate the training phrases from each other, you can insert the vertical line located on your keyboard. We have already reached the seventh and last column, where you can write the answer to the frequently asked question. If you want the answer to appear in different messages and not in just one, you can also use the vertical line located on your keyboard, as you can see in this video. Now you have your sheet ready to be uploaded. Click on the OK button and select your document. Now is when the magic happens. We only have to wait a few seconds until the frequently asked questions finish loading on the platform. Remember that you should not exceed 30 frequently asked questions in each upload. When the upload is finished, you can download the log to see if there have been any errors in the process. Now you have all the content available on the platform. You can see how all the categories appear with their corresponding image. Also, all frequently asked questions within its category. Within the frequently asked questions, you will see that the different training phrases have been created as well as the answers. In the case of having more than one language enabled on the platform, you will be able to see the differentiated content in each language within the FAQ. With this functionality, you will be able to massively upload all your frequently asked questions to manage them later within the bot platform. Thank you and see you in the next video.